see anybody jumping this shit.
I'm gonna take you elk hunting today. Hey, if you are a professional hunter, this video is not for you, okay? I am very new to this. We're gonna go and we're gonna check out some of these areas to hunt right outside of Coeur d'Alene. And Big John was just mentioning, if you are a disabled veteran, you get a huge discount. So really cheap for residents and disabled veterans. Gearing up right now, we're gonna hit the woods, and I'm hopeful. It's cooling down right now. We're up at a pretty good elevation. It's really quiet out here. I think this is gonna be a good spot to check out. So let's head into the woods.